na among sakyan guys kana going to mag ikot-ikot lang mi sa Mekong River. Hindi kay ilang garden diri di ba sa ato kay agka na baho ni sa diyang buwak. Hinduta talaga.
This is a tour guide.
Yes,
So
he's our tour guide.
before we leave, I would like to give some orientation.
Sure.
The reason why we do the road trip is all about the countryside.
Yeah.
On the way, we will stop the two places.
Mhm.
One is Whiskey Village.
Yeah.
That village is about 1 hour 45 minutes to get there.
Mhm.
We'll start and look around the village. The people call the weeping village or whiskey village because that village they cook the whiskey and they do the weeping things.
Yeah.
And night markets, a lot of things that come from that village. Scar,
Yeah.
the weeping things and whiskey. Look around. Then after that we'll go to have a lunch at the elephant camp.
Okay.
And we'll take a break a little bit and learn about elephant behavior.
Yeah.
The last one is Hauke, religion and Buddha's idea.
Yeah.
For the Buddhism is farming. A lot of people you see living on the boat and they farming a lot just come already. Summer house. On the way we have any question, happy to answer. I'm not a guide, I'm
reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance and
Shanghai
This is a
Village.
formula. Make the video, take a picture. Yes, rice. I mean, this how we okay. This how we do smoke area to take out the hot water for the cold water.
You should get a picture of that because I reckon
Yeah,
your
yeah.
brothers will start making it once they taste it.
Oh no. So this is our first stop. So, ito lang yung binili ko. Tsaka tatlong wine. And yeah. So what's the name of this temple?
Shanghai Temple.
Shanghai.
Shanghai Village.
Shanghai.
Temple.
Ah, okay. Shanghai Village. Shanghai Village. So madaming mga scarf sila dito guys, mga habol. May mais. Yeah. Yellow corn.
Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy, everything's peachy. Split personality.
Mahal ko no kaayo na nga kuan guys. Kahoy, expensive. So this is our second.
We will have a lunch first. After lunch, elephant come here.
Ah,
So the White House is a happy room.
Happy room.
So your lunch is a buffet.
Yeah.
It include a drink as well.
Oh, that's good.
We are Coke, Sprite, and a tea.
So we have to eat our lunch now guys kay it's 12 o'clock na or magwa 1 PM na. So yung lunch nila is buffet. Ah, barbecue. They have steamed rice as well and carbonara. Wow. Fried sweet onion, then fried eggplant, curry, luwang prabang salad. So, sila coffee dali ah. Oh, what a nice view. Okay. Mukuha sa akong pagkaon guys, kay gutom na ko. So, ito muna yung lunch ko. Madami silang food doon actually. And namkong beer. How's it? It's good? Nom nom nom. And that's our view. So kakain muna kami ng lunch guys. Where's the elephant there?
Old main elephant caretaker. To taking care elephant, that's my job. And my team, almost of us, 41 people.
Wow.
Trust me, 13 elephant living with us here.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to.